Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Let's start off with the satellite loop, and the cold front that was affecting the southern parts of the country yesterday has now moved out into the Indian Ocean, and behind it a high pressure system is ridging along the coastline. That's been pushing in lots of cloud cover into KwaZulu-Natal as well as into the Lowveld. North of that, over Limpopo, tropical moisture has continued to move down over this area, and this has resulted in widespread showers throughout the course of Saturday. We also saw some of those showers into northern Mpumalanga. A couple of thunderstorms popped up further westwards, but much of Gauteng remained dry for the day. Taking a look at Sunday, and it will start off cloudy in the eastern parts, morning drizzle and fog along the eastern escarpment. That will thin out as the day goes on. Afternoon thunderstorms are going to be developing over parts of the Highveld, including the Free State, southern Gauteng, as well as in the northwest. A sunny day expected for the western parts of the country. It's also going to be warmer, and a couple of degrees of warming also expected for KwaZulu-Natal. The province is going to start off with a bit of fog for the interior. We could see a few thunder showers in the afternoon in the extreme western parts, including around Ladysmith and Newcastle. Dry on the other hand for the Eastern Cape. It's going to be a hot day for the interior of the province. It'll also be warmer along the coastline. Port Alfred and East London both get to a high of 27. Very high temperatures for some parts of the Western Cape interior, 34 degrees for Oudtshoorn, and similar temperatures around Robertson and Worcester. Cape Town's going to hit that 30-degree mark, and even warmer for Langebaan further up that western coastline. It's going to be a dry day for Alexander Bay, 26 as a maximum. Extremely high temperatures for some parts of the Northern Cape. Uppington gets to 38 degrees. Further eastwards, a few thunder showers possible around Kimberley as well as Bloemfontein, as well as the rest of the Northern and Eastern Free State. Isolated thunderstorms could develop over some parts of the northwest in the afternoon. It will be slightly cooler for the province during the course of Sunday, and it's going to be a cloudy morning for much of Limpopo, drizzle and fog along the escarpment, but by afternoon partly cloudy and dry weather expected for most places. Very similar over in Mpumalanga with drizzle over the escarpment at first. A few thunder showers might develop over the southern Highveld in the afternoon. And in Gauteng, Pretoria should remain dry. Very isolated thunderstorms possible over the southern parts. Vereeniging and Soweto both get to a high of 28. Winds are going to be light for most of South Africa on Sunday, but a freshening southeasterly wind will develop around the Cape Peninsula. A look ahead to Monday, and those thunderstorms continue onto the Highveld, including around Kimberley and Bloemfontein, dry all across South Africa's coastline. And by Tuesday, things will be cooling down for Cape Town. A bit of morning fog with a high of 28 degrees, and thunderstorms continue in a hotter Gauteng.